Hello, hello, my beautiful friends. It is Deanna at the Blushing Mint, and I am coming to you guys today just to show you a quick special order journal that I finally got completed. This was ordered a long time ago, and life happens, and it just is what it is. And so I finally got it completed, and so I just wanted to do a quick flip through for you. This journal, I had the information that the recipient likes cats, leopards, pinks, blues, and purples. So this was a bit out of my comfort zone because I normally don't work with animals or things like that. So anyway, it was a little out of my comfort zone and I struggled at times, but I hope that she is going to enjoy it. So anyway, it is a faux leather cover made from a manila envelope and my faux leather shoe polish technique. It's just a one signature journal. On the front here, I've got a lot of lace. I've got some cheesecloth. I've got a couple little tags inside of here. The printable kit that I used is from Ginger Journals on Etsy. So if you look up Ginger Journals on Etsy, that is where I got the printables for this sweet little kit. They're super cute, super cute. So anyhow, that is my front cover. This is dyed seam binding for my closures here. And inside, I just have that big pocket, and you can see that there's my little manila envelope in there. So nice big pocket to tuck some treasures into. The library card pocket here. And then these gorgeous, gorgeous digitals. I did I did a couple of my vintage style envelopes for in here using the color theme. Some of my lace dyed papers. And then this here is, this here is a little tuck spot. More of my hand dyed papers. It's about cats, and these have birds on there, and I don't know, something about the juxtaposition of cats and birds. I just thought it was cute, and my mom made me a bunch of these fabric flips, and I just love them, and so I thought, why not add one of these in here? I just thought it was fun. So thanks, Mom, for making my fabric flips. I love them. And then I have a tuck spot here. I didn't fill every tuck spot, but then a couple of the little tags here, and these are just backed on with some cardstock. So they're nice and heavy. More of my lace dyed papers. This one turned out gorgeous. Love it. And then these printables, just beautiful. So lots and lots of space to journal here. Just a little book page to journal on. Some more of my lace dyed papers. And then another tuck spot in here. Guess I got that a little tight, but that's okay. You could still tuck something in there. Look at how sweet that little face is. Love it. A little belly band with a postcard. And a tuck spot here. Couple more sweet little kitten tags to write verses or something like that on, or a little one of your favorite quotes, something like that. Lots of lace trims, lots of lace trims in here, several different styles of lace trims. A little vintage style postcard, another tuck spot, lots of journaling, double doily there. And then here I've just got a book page for journaling, as well as a little envelope, and you could actually fold that up and send that as a note to a friend or something like that. So this is our center of our signature here. And then I have this cute little cat charm with a pearl, and then my Handmade with Love tag or charm there. Same thing over here, a different style envelope, and then a couple pages for journaling in the center there. And then going through the back, tuck spot, another vintage style postcard. Don't fall on me, sorry. My backdrop is falling. The sky is falling because my shed is a mess. Look at those sweet little kitties. I just want to adopt them all. Hand-dyed paper. Little kitten tags. They're just cute. This actually turned out cute, and I do hope that she likes it. So a little tuck spot there. And then another one of my hand-dyed, oh my, everything is falling. The sky is falling in my shed. Another one of my hand-dyed paper envelopes. Just gorgeous, just beautiful envelopes. These are just stunning. They're just stunning. Okay, and then the tuck spot here. This paper, you can't, I don't know, it's hard to see, but it is pink. And it's just got the slightest pink tint to it. It's gorgeous. More paper there in that tuck spot. A couple more cute kitten tags here. And a tuck spot. Another one of those fabric flips. And this is just great for hidden journaling space there. Love them birds. Look at them cute birds. Hand-dyed paper. Sweet tuck spot. Lots of journaling. Another vintage postcard. And then the back, I have a belly band. I've tucked in another vintage postcard and an airmail envelope, just for something fun, and it just brings all the colors together. And then I've got my little tag and my uniquely handmade original, and then the back of the journal. So that is my latest completion. And I am going to hopefully get that delivered this weekend or within the next week. That is my goal anyway. So I've got one thing off my desk and a journal finally completed. It has been a very, very long time since I have gotten a journal completed. So friends, I hope you enjoyed that. Comment below, tell me what you think of this sweet little journal. And I hope that I am able to get some more journals made for you guys sometime soon. Until then, friends, please take care, be well. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for continuing to support me even when I'm not here. It means the world to me. Thank you, friends. Talk soon. Bye-bye.